Hello friends, in this particular episode, we'll see what is the judiciary in Latvia. Now there is Supreme Court of Justice. This court has three departments: Department of Civil Cases, Department of Criminal Cases, Department of Administrative Cases. This is the highest court in the country and no appeal can be filed against the judgment of this court. Parliament approves judges of this court. Then we have Constitutional Court. This court has 7 judges. The tenure of judge is 10 years. Now let's see how these 7 judges are appointed. 3 judges are suggested by 10 member of parliaments. 2 judges are suggested by cabinet ministers. 2 judges are suggested by Supreme Court. This court has jurisdiction to hear the disputes regarding the interpretation of the constitution. This court has right to declare any law as unconstitutional. Parliament approves the appointment of judges of this court. Then you have regional courts. This is a court of first instance for civil and criminal cases as prescribed in law. The hearings in this court is done by bench of 3 judges. Then there are district courts, there are administrative regional courts, administrative district courts. The judges of the court of first instance have an retirement age of 70 years. So friend, these were certain aspects of judiciary which are there in Latvia. In our next episode, we will see what are the other features which are there in the constitution of Latvia. Thank you.